So I'm starting out with a big breakfast. First, we're gonna make 2 scrambled eggs in the pan. I just like the way that they taste and look better when I scramble them in the pan. And I try to eat more during the day because at night I really like to snack, try to eat unhealthy foods, that sort of thing. And when they're almost done cooking, I'll add cayenne and garlic salt. Then I'm having 3 pieces of turkey bacon, some fresh fruit in Greek yogurt, and then some fresh fruit on the side. For lunch, I'm cutting up a romaine heart because I wanted to have salad, but then I didn't really have any toppings that were exciting, so I was sort of just prepping this for the week. Then I'm gonna cut up some chicken. I'm cutting all of the nasty pieces off, and then I'm gonna use about half of it for lunch and half of it for dinner. So I'm just gonna cut it into little cubes. To my chicken, I'm gonna add some minced garlic, obviously olive oil in the pan, some cayenne pepper, some dried onion pieces, and some pink Himalayan sea salt. While my chicken cooks, I get my sides ready. I wanted to have a lot of fruit this day, so I cut up some strawberries and washed some grapes. Then I'm gonna cut up this avocado, which had a lot of bruised and brown bits in it, so I just cut those away. Then I'm taking these sandwich thins from Aldi, and I'm only gonna take the bottom piece just so I don't eat as much bread, and I'm gonna spread the avocado all over it, and then I'm gonna lay a few pieces of lettuce on top of that. I usually have a smoothie in the morning, but I just didn't have time that morning, so I put some mixed fruit, water, and a little bit of almond milk, some crunchy peanut butter, and some chia seeds. Then I'm gonna take the extra oil off of my chicken and strategically put it onto the sandwich. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot sauce on the top, and that's what I had for lunch. I'm gonna make chia seed pudding, so you need half a cup of either almond milk or water, whatever you prefer. I mixed them. And then for every half a cup of liquid, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon in for flavor and to help with inflammation. And then I'm gonna stir it, and then I'm gonna let it settle, and then I'm gonna add some honey and stir it again. I also mixed it with some that I made before. I just forgot to film it, so that's why there's so much. And then you're gonna leave it in the fridge for a few hours, and I like to serve mine with strawberries. Throughout the day, I also like to drink a cup or 2 of hot green tea to help with my metabolism. Now for dinner, I'm making some brown rice. It's just a cup, and then I put it into my rice maker. And then with that, I'm gonna be making teriyaki chicken. There's a lot of recipes you can find online, but I just sort of eyeball it because I've been making this for years and it's my favorite. So I'm just gonna add some soy sauce to the pan and a little bit of honey. You can also use sugar or brown sugar. Then I do garlic salt, cayenne because I like it spicy, and then some onion pieces and some garlic. You can also add flour to the sauce to thicken it up, but I usually take too long and wait and the sauce thickens up on its own. Then I'm doing these mixed vegetables and I'm adding some broccoli, and then at the end I end up taking out like all of the carrots because I knew I wouldn't eat them anyway. I'm going to lightly season those, and then once it starts heating up, I'm going to add the chicken into the sauce. At the end I just throw it all together.